Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Yo, tongue twist. Let's make quick, nice green lettuce salad, something like that. Green lettuce salad, I don't know. Just chop your lettuce, my sister, my brother. Easy. Plus, this is the season whereby most of you are on diet mode. I want to fetch my body. Yes, use this one to fetch your body. So we're gonna just be quick. That is carrot. We used what we have in our houses, remember, in our home. So this is pineapple. I just saw an old pineapple trying to, shrink the carrot. Pineapple later. Come closer. I'm not about to lose you. So just add anything that you have. If you have an apple, just add it, rinse it with vinegar so that it doesn't become brown and put it. So in here we have grapes, baby tomato, carrot, pineapple, chicken, breast, and cucumber, including what is this, lettuce leaves or your lettuce. Then you're gonna just opt for your favorite favorite sauce or salad dressing, any of your choice. Then that's all. Mix it together, and then we had it with wrap. Remember last time we made a wrap, and then I told you that I can't add a piece of lettuce inside what and then this is your feta. Is it? No, it's not feta. What is this? Cottage cheese. No, I can't remember, guys. I'm not a chef. I don't know these things. So add everything together, mtase, and eat like and then I like this seasoning salad. You find it at any grocery store. Yeah. Oh yes, this is the wrap and that's the entire plate. Thank you very much for watching this. May God bless you.